Make a great choice today with the 2026 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Come see the car for yourself.